Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to upload files to Google Drive and how to download files from Google Drive. Okay, let's see. To upload the file you have to click New. Here there is a option File Upload and another option here Folder Upload. It means if you want to upload the file you have to click this one, File Upload, and if you want to upload the folder you have to click Folder Upload. Here I'm going to upload the Excel file, File Upload. Here I select this one. It's a file saved by Microsoft Excel. When you double click on it you can upload it. Here there is a file with same name here. I will upload another one. Okay, it's uploading. One upload complete. It means our file has been uploaded to Google Drive. When a file is uploaded to Google Drive we can open it, but here there is some important things to learn in this point. You can open it by double clicking on it. Our file has been opened, and as this is the first time we open the Google Sheet, there are some pop-up windows. Welcome to Office Everything. If you want to know other tips you can click Take a Tour, otherwise you can close it. This is the file opened here. The file type is Excel SX and we can see data here. If the file format is not supported in Google Drive, there may be some issues when you open Microsoft Excel sheets in Google Drive. To avoid that issues in the future, you can save this Excel file in Google Sheet format. You can see that the type name is not there, and we can file two sheets for this. Here you can find that this one. This is the file which we saved in Google Sheet format, and this is the file with Excel sheet format. So you can now understand that when we save in Google Drive formats, it's saved separately in the Google Drive. Like that you can save docs or other slides or anything in Google Drive. So we can understand that there are two versions when we save the Google Sheets in Google Drive in Google Drive format. Like that it's same for Google Docs and other files also. And if you upload more files, it's difficult to convert those files into Google Sheet format separately. So we can convert all the files we are uploading into Google Drive to the Google Drive format automatically. For that we have to change our settings. Click that gear button, click the settings and go to settings. Okay, here there is option Convert Uploads. Convert uploads to Google Doc editor format. When we click that checkbox, automatically our uploading files are converting into Google Drive format. These are the small tips which you have to know when you are uploading a file to Google Drive. Now I will tell you how to download the file from Google Drive to your personal computer. First you select the file which you want to download. Let's take that sample data insurance file, Excel file. You have to right click on it and there's an option download. It's downloading. Downloading is very easy and quick method. Like that you can download any file, convert into Word and download. It means you can open that file in Microsoft Word here, and the previous one is supported with Microsoft Excel. Now you know how to download and upload files to Google Drive and from the Google Drive. Okay, let's see how to share your files with others in the next video. Thank you.